Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the power control board in a KitchenAid refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new power control board. This power control board is located at the back of the refrigerator behind the metal cover plate. If you notice any abnormal temperature behavior that can't be adjusted, check and replace the power control board. So here we are at the back of the fridge, and we need to remove this cover panel to get to the part. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver and I'm going to remove 4 1/4-inch screws. Alright. Next I need to remove this plastic cover. I'm using the flat blade screwdriver. Going to insert it right here in this lock assembly here. I'm going to pry open the tab and we can pull out this slowly. Don't break that latch. Alright, so we are going to remove this power control board, and there's a tab at the bottom that's holding it in place. So I'm going to use this flat blade screwdriver. We're going to press down on the tab and I'm going to pull out the control board. Then I'm going to disconnect these 2 plugs so I can remove the control board. There's a tab here. I'm going to press it in and pull it apart. And here we got 2 tabs on this side, and push it in and pull the plug. This is the old power control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so I can install the new power control board in. We are putting this upper edge into this saddle here in the seat right there on the top, and then we have a couple of pins which would be installed through these holes. That's just a question of properly adjusting it all together. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in and I'm gonna press it down here so it will lock. Just like that. And I'm gonna connect these 2 plugs and align it and press it in. Same thing here. That's it. Push the harnesses in, out of the way. Right, now I'm going to install this plastic cover first. We have 2 tabs here that goes into the 2 cutouts here on the side. And I'm going to bring it in and press it closed. Next I'm going to install the metal cover and secure it with the 4 1/4-inch screws. Put one on the top using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Don't tighten yet. I'm going to tighten this one and I'm going to tighten the other one here. And I'm going to switch to the top, tighten the top ones. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.